Hello guys, and this is long so recording and second texts. This is an update. I can't think in Spain. But so it's second sacrifice. This is like retrograde as well. So I don't know the technique like other style drawings and kind of some. I don't want this to down 6th grade because I don't think the Texans has strings and I really that I really start something like Texans, but as I probably say in the cartoons that the train has strict techniques. But you guys are going to like also playing like Sega Genesis something games that I don't get extra points. So that's like it's strong. Like this. Let's do that. Alright. Well, I haven't like that since I don't know if I'm like that's I touched I very didn't. Yeah, that's right. That's still on. Well, the countdown is gonna die. I'm not gonna try to get this quick, because it's gonna die. Okay. What's it got? Alright, thanks for coming, President. Looks like the wiring. Yeah, this is what I think. I can string it out so I can drink concentrate tanks. Not that I got 2 tanks out to reverse. That's just a plain like next extinct tank. Yeah, I got the control. Carrying focus screens. Heck this guy. Oh, I got the 6 times on. I got my right, I got shot, I got a think right, I got right, the second angle, speed. Okay, I can compare it isn't. That's like kind of nice. Something. I kind of looks like I could get out of that right, so get right. Yep. Okay. So that goes in. I can't. Probably that so I can go and I can't like something. Yeah, that does sound pretty extreme. Yeah, I think that's one guy is B and 2 guys are Y. And that's cool. This guy's I can't check the detail. Alright, I think there's a like kind of fact that this thing's eyes like I can still don't know why it's like owns like the same things and not dying punching. But anyway, doesn't. So this back tank. Next, there's like things like the trunks, this crank, and there's a crank, shooting trying to protect crank, long, trying to spare the rank, and try to crank. And you can take that this leader and also crank. That's all. Okay, brain, your attack tanks. So, and then next, and they do. Okay. There's a, like, and that's 4 tank.